go and vote and help me figure out which one. And we'll probably keep those shirts for a little while, and then periodically we can change the shirts. I don't know. I say 6 months, but who knows? Maybe we can keep them all year long, and every day, every time on our anniversary or something like that, or our half anniversary. But I will have a link on there, so when you buy it with that, using that link, I will get a little of the proceeds on Amazon as an affiliate. So that would be great for me. I haven't gotten anything on there yet. I don't even know how it works. It says I have 25 cents on there. So I'm like, okay, did somebody buy something? Was it me? I don't know. But oh, you guys are so friendly. Oh, wait. I did two and I did three. Now I have to do decreases. Let me concentrate a little bit because the decreases seem to be a little bit more challenging for me to remember. And then sometimes all of a sudden in between it, I'm like, wait, is that how you do a decrease? I'm like, what? Like if I'm just learning, you know what I mean? So back to Yarn Talk Monday. Business. Did you see my video of the La Boo Boo? I've been wanting one. I would have had a La Foo Foo. I would have loved it too. But Allegra had she had a couple, and then so Alex got her some more, a big box of them, and in one of them, there in one of the boxes was a duplicate of what she already has. Hold on a second. 1, 2, 3, and I'm going way past. 1, 2, 3. This is the increase. A duplicate of one she had, and I thought, give me your old one. I would love it. And no, she gave me the new one. Do you want to see my little La Boo Boo? How many of you guys are into La Boo Boos? I still have it in the grocery bag they brought it in. That's just because I don't want it to come out. Oh, look at it. It's so gorgeous. Look at La Boo Boo. So cute. The little feet, they move. It's adorable. And I like to put them like this because I'm what they used to call pigeon-toed. And I walk with my feet pointed in. So we need to do that with this little guy here. And they sell little plastic containers you can put them in. That way when you hang them on your purse, they don't get dirty. Should I hang it on my purse and risk him getting dirty? Does he need to be like really just live life? You know what I mean? Talking about? Okay, and then now we need to crochet clothes. I've seen people make little hats for them with their little ears sticking out. And he needs something. I don't know what he's going to wear. Overalls, maybe. Maybe he needs to look at that tag. I'm not going to take it off, but it needs to be tucked in his clothes, maybe. That would be so adorable. Okay, so I have La Boo Boo, and La Boo Boo, you're going to see his little ears right there. And it comes with a card. His name is Dada. Dada. And I think I'm going to keep his name, Dada. So, okay, so there he is. I don't want to lose this. I better take that card. No. I'm going to save the box. So I'm not throwing away the box. So let's put the box up here. Out of the way. So pretty much all for, I'm just looking at something that's kind of messed up, and I was like, how did that happen? But then I realized it was me. It was me. So this one, this Yarn Talk Monday is not going to be like the Saturday crochet meetings where I am really answering. Well, I can answer questions if I see them. Next time it'll be different here, where I can see all of the. Let's see. I can see some. Yeah. It's kind of far away. You get to get closer to me. Yeah. Okay. I don't like this one bit, where the things are disappearing. But anyways, what else has been going on? Another update on my hornet's nest that I have outside. I There are no wasps. I showed you, and there was a wasp there trying to make a nest out of an old one, and I went outside and it was gone. There are no wasps outside of my front porch area. So I am thinking that my hornet's nest, my crocheted hornet's nest, is working. Yes. And so let's see. I wanted to do like